up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all doing good, because I'm doing great. Today I'm about to head to the crib, get my cleaning supplies, and go pass my car through the washer real quick. I cleaned like yesterday or the day before, but somebody on Instagram hit me up and wanted to do a shoot, so I'm gonna get the car cleaned up a little bit. It's not really bad, it's just my rims dirty, a lot of brake dust. I need to change my brake pads for sure. And overall, all over the damn car. So, about to head to the crib, grab that, and get the car clean. Alright, y'all, we made it to the Touchers car wash. Normally, I don't go through Touchers car washes. Like I said, I need a detail, but it doesn't matter. I need a quick wash. So, I got my supplies right here. Wait for this car to finish up. But I'm 20 minutes to my shoot, so I need to hurry the fuck up. So, yeah, it's gonna be a quick one. What's up, y'all? We made it to the spot. My car actually looked good in the spot, not gonna lie. It looks so sick. I never thought I would do some shit like this. I ain't gonna lie to you. I know I'm taking my own pictures, but they hit me up. They was like, "I want to take some pictures." So, hey, we here. Shit looks so sick. Change the view. They wanted a side shot to get the sun in the background. Shoot going good. It's cold as fuck. But I think eventually I'm gonna plan something so they can do some rollers or whatever. But right now we're just taking some pictures. It's a little cinematic clips. So when I finish my car, do some add some more carbon fiber. I think yeah, we can set something up. I think they're finishing up. We're gonna do some rollers on this little stretch. He wanted to make some videos of my car pop and shit, so we're gonna do that, and then we can get out of here because it is freezing like a motherfucker. Yo, like, bro, this is a Kia. Like, get that thing out of here. This is a Kia. The fitment, the stand, so the 20-inch in the rear, 19 in the front, is OD. The spot is OD. Yeah, bro. If y'all not subscribed by now, I think I should tap that button. Right now, I think one of the photographers go check access to get a top view to take pictures. And he coming back, I don't think so, but yeah. Make sure you like the video for sure. Some rollers down here, let y'all hear the car, and yeah. Alright, y'all, that's it for the video today. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We out.